Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Zern. We're going to be working on grade 4, mission 5, lesson 6. Today I'm going to be looking at the Tower of Power examples just to work on a couple of things with how to use the tape diagrams that we might be having difficulty with, in addition to looking at a few examples that you guys are going to be seeing today. So let's get started. So it wants us to draw an area model for a fraction with units of thirds, fourths, or fifths. Okay. So why don't we work with fourths? So you can see I've cut this into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So it asks us to shade more than one fractional unit. So I'm going to shade, let's say, 3. So I have 1, 2, 3 out of 4 shaded. It's asking us to draw horizontal lines to decompose the area model into 5 rows. So remember, decomposition is just creating more cuts. You could also use the word partition. You could also use the word divide. You could also use even just the word cut. They all mean the same thing for decompose. By creating more pieces, you're increasing the denominator as well. So draw horizontal lines to decompose the area model into 5 rows. So rows go left to right. It is horizontal. So I have 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So rows, and then of course columns are up and down. So write the equivalent fractions shown in the area model. So I'm going to first write the columns without the decomposed rows that we added, and we had 3 fourths. Now I'm going to look at how many total pieces I have now. So I'm going to, using the area model example, I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll give us 20 total cut here. This is a very easy area model because you know length times width. So if I count the length, which is 5, and multiply it by the width, 4, which gives you 20, is the total number inside of the area. And now I can do the same thing to see just how many pieces we still have. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, which gives me 15. So 3 fourths is equal to 15 over 20. Good. So this model is a really good example of how to use the area model. Today you're going to be following through your normal set. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow for our live lesson.